guys, welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful gatefold wedding card. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I share fun and easy to follow card making and crafting tutorials. Let's make it. Hi guys, this is basically all you need to make this card. I have created a gorgeous template that you are going to use to finish this card. I will show you how to cut everything off of this, and then we're going to get started with the card. So let's move these aside so we can get our template cut. So I'm going to line this up upside down at 4 3/8 of an inch cut. Then I'm going to go at 4 inches this way. This is going to center it fairly well. Let's cut this one. This is going to be cut at 5 1/4. So you want to line maybe the T up at the 1 and then cut this at 5 1/4. Right. That's your perfectly centered sentiment. We're going to lay it on top of this. So we're going to put this aside. I'm going to cut this tiny little sentiment. I'm going to cut this right here, and then I'm going to line this up at 1/2 inch because we want this really small and thin like this. Beautiful. Line your end up just under 3 and cut, and then this is 2 5/8, right? And we're going to use this as the front sentiment. We're going to get a gold piece for the back of this. That's perfect. We're going to put this aside as well. Get yourself a piece of, just a white piece of cardstock that is at least 1 1/2 inches wide, because that's the size of the heart we're going to cut out. Put this aside. And you need a white piece of paper that you'll be able to use to cut this out with, all right? I'm going to line it up really nicely with this, and I'm going to use some washi tape to hold it down. And now I'm just going to cut this out. This is perfect. Now we're actually going to do some die cutting. Yay! I'm going to bring in my really old... Please don't laugh at me with my big shot machine, but I love it. It's amazing. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to die cut this heart. Perfect. And now I'm actually going to emboss both pieces. I'm looking to really get some beautiful designs on this, and I like how right here looks. So I'm going to put the heart right here. And then I like how down here looks for the skirt actually. And I'm just going to emboss them together. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. So let's grab these two pieces. For the groom's outfit now, we need a piece of paper that is 1 inch by 2 5/8 of an inch. And we need to do a little teeny tiny bow tie for him. So let's do that now. I am going to cut a little piece of black paper, and this, listen, this is so small, right guys? So this is going to be 3/8 of an inch by 5/8 of an inch. This is our groom's bow tie. It's so tiny. And the buttons down his shirt, I'm going to use some pearls that I have. I've already done it, but I'm going to show you what I did. So you're going to grab one pearl, and you're going to stick it on a piece of cardstock like so. Grab yourself one of your very cool markers, and we're going to color the pearl. So you're going to literally do this all the way around, all on this side. That's it. So let's get this ready. We are going to measure this. This is 1 inch. We're going to make a mark at 1/4 and 3/4, and then we're going to take this and make a mark right here at 5/16 in the middle. Right, just like that is perfect. And then you're going to go on the 3/8 side and make sure it's like so. And just join those two at the middle. Just like this, right? So you want it to look just like this. And let me show you how you're going to cut these. I want you to grab this paper cutter. Guillotine paper cutter will do it the best. And you're cutting from here to here and here to here, just like so. Perfect. And grab yourself this. Now I'm going to cut from here to here and here to here, and then from here to here and from here to here. And you could already see that it's a beautiful bow tie. So let's do that. Before we do anything, I am going to measure 1/4 of an inch down, 1 inch, 1.5 inches, and 2 inches. And that's for your tie and your 3 buttons. I'm going to put 4 dots of glue. We're going to put this at the first dot, just like so. And then we're going to pick up these 3 and drop them here. So now we have tuxedo, we have our dress, we have all of our inside and outside sentiments. Let's get to making this card, putting this card together. I want you to grab your scoreboard and take your piece of paper that is 8.5 inches by 5.5 inches, and we're going to score this at 2 1/8 and 6 3/8. Fold and burnish. And you have a perfect gatefold card right there. Now the first thing you're going to stick down is the dress, of course. I'm just going to find the middle of the back with my T-square ruler by lining it up with the point here and make a small mark. I'm going to mark this up on my card like so. So making sure that this reaches the top here and this is touching here. And I'm going to just do that. And that is so that we can get an idea of how we're going to finish the card, right? That's 3/4 inch, 3/4 inch. Perfect. So you want the dress centered on the card, and then this will come here. We're not going to stick this to the scissors yet. What we're going to do is we're going to mark it up, draw a line at the waistline, like so. And you're going to cut this off very straight. Perfect. Now line it back up and put a dab of glue at the top, and we're going to stick this to this like so. I'm going to pull this off now that we have this thing stuck down. Perfect. And we're going to add our rubber now. This should be dry by now, and that's perfect. So now we have your perfect dress for the top of your card. Get yourself a scrap piece of paper and slip it in the card here, because what you don't want to do is get any glue on the side of your card. And let's stick this down like so, and then bring it to closure. Right, now you can move this, and look at that. That is so beautiful. Now we're going to bring in our groom, and he's going to be perfectly squared right next to our bride, making sure that his tuxedo isn't touching the dress. joining me while we made this. How cute is it? I hope you get a chance to make it. You must know someone getting married this wedding season. It is so cute. If you like this video, be sure to give it an actual thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends.